Alright, let's see what we can do here. Crankbait. Bass. Hey out there in Watchland, I'm JD, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to let you know that I'm at the lake and I'm fishing right now, and I caught something that's really interesting. So what was I fishing for? What do you think I caught? Did I catch a fish? Did I catch a bass? Did I catch a trout? What did I catch? I caught a G-Shock 5000U. There you go, beautiful watch. Goes down to 200-meter dive watch. It's an all metal case. It's from Japan. The instructions came in Japanese, and it is a solar powered watch. It's also radio timed, so Dayton, Ohio radio station connects with that in the evening, or it'll do it manually if you want. So it has automatic and manual. It also has a backlight that you can manually press, or when you twist your wrist at night and it's dark enough, that backlight will come on again. There's all kinds of different modes here. There's a timer with this watch. There's a countdown timer. It'll go, I think, 10 to 20 time zones, different zones, so you can use it for travel. It's got everything on it. So that's the GW5000U, and these things normally run for about $400, and I got it at a really good deal, about a 30% discount. I had to pick it up. And it's almost 6 o'clock here, and I'm gonna go fishing and see if I can catch another G-Shock. So this is the G-Shock 5000U, 4 buttons, every function you ever want. You got to get one of these. The strap is nice and soft. It's very high end. The case back is not square. It's round, screw down case back like a T-cell or any other watch you'd get. Beautiful watch, and super comfy. So there it is, the G-Shock, and let's see if I can go fishing and catch another one of these things. Here's my fishing rod. I'm going to go see if I can catch another G-Shock. Maybe I can, maybe I can't.